Aku masih lewat jalan yang sama, tempat cerita lama pernah ada. Tak ku cari, tak ku panggil lagi, tapi namamu singgah di hati. Jika kau masih di sini, would it feel the same? Apa kita saling mengerti? Or just repeat the pain? If you were still here, apa kau masih memilihku? If you were still here, would you hold my hand too? If you were still here, apa hatiku merasa aman? If you were still here, atau hanya jadi kenangan? Oh, if you were still here. If you were still here, just a thought that disappears. Ini cuma hayalan yang datang lalu menghilang. Tak semua harus terjawab. Aku belajar untuk tenang. Apa kau masih memilihku? If you were still here, atau aku sendiri berlalu? If you were still here, kini aku sudah mengerti. Ada cinta yang cukup hidup di hayalan, tak perlu kembali.